Most people think box jumps are only for athletes, but actually they burn fat faster. One small adjustment can turn this simple exercise into a powerful full-body fat-burning tool. You are not just burning calories here, you are activating deep metabolic fat-burning systems. Stay until the end because this method can completely change how your body responds to training. Most beginners perform box jumps incorrectly and never realize why the results stay extremely slow. They rush through movements without control and miss full muscle activation during jumps. This leads to poor fat-burning results and unnecessary stress on knee joints. Many people believe speed matters most, but control is what actually builds results. Box jumps are plyometric movements designed to develop explosive strength and power output. They activate fast-twitch muscle fibers, which burn more energy in short bursts. When performed correctly, they trigger after-burn effect, also known as EPOC system. Your body continues burning calories even long after your workout has finished. But this only happens when movement is performed with correct form and control. Here is exactly where most people start making critical mistakes without realizing it. Jumping without control reduces effectiveness and increases injury risk significantly over time. Landing with locked knees places dangerous pressure directly on your joints every time. Skipping arm drive removes a major source of explosive upward jumping power. Rushing repetitions reduces muscle engagement and limits overall fat-burning potential dramatically. Now let's fix everything step by step and build proper explosive technique correctly. Start by loading power through your hips and legs together in sync movement. Use your arms strongly to generate maximum upward force during each jump repetition. Focus on control first, then explosiveness second for safest and best results. Always land softly with bent knees to absorb impact and protect your joints. Step down carefully instead of jumping back down to maintain full body control. Now break movement into simple steps for perfect execution and better understanding. Stand shoulder-width apart, facing box with balanced athletic stance ready position. Lower into a slight squat, keeping chest up and core fully engaged, tight. Swing arms backward to load energy before explosive upward jumping motion begins. Drive upward through legs and hips, creating powerful, controlled, explosive jump movement. Land softly on the box, maintaining balance, stability, and strong posture alignment, always. Step down slowly, reset position before starting next repetition with full control. Repeat movement consistently, focusing on form precision instead of rushing repetitions fast. Avoid jumping too high too early because it breaks proper technique foundation. Always prioritize landing control because it determines safety and training effectiveness overall. Rushing repetitions reduces fat-burning efficiency and slows down long-term progress. Engage core muscles throughout entire movement for stability, balance, and better performance. Proper form instantly increases workout effectiveness and reduces unnecessary injury risks significantly. Your body responds better when every movement is controlled, precise, and intentional. This approach creates higher calorie burn in less time compared to normal training. Consistency with proper form leads to visible fat loss and better endurance. Most people fail because they focus on intensity instead of proper technique first. Mastering fundamentals always produces better long-term results than random intense workouts. Controlled movement improves muscle coordination, strength, and overall athletic performance significantly over time. Every repetition should feel intentional, focused, and executed with perfect body awareness, always. This mindset alone separates average results from exceptional fitness transformation outcomes completely. Stay mentally focused and avoid distractions during every single training repetition performed. Better technique always leads to better results without increasing workout duration or effort. Small improvements in form create massive changes in long-term body transformation. Your nervous system learns faster when movements are slow, controlled, and precise. This builds stronger athletic foundation and improves overall movement efficiency dramatically over time. Always listen to your body and avoid pushing beyond safe physical limits. Progress gradually instead of rushing intensity too early in your fitness journey. Consistency always beats intensity when building sustainable fat loss and strength results. Keep practicing correct form until it becomes a natural, automatic movement pattern habit. Over time, your explosiveness improves while maintaining perfect control and safety standards. This combination of power and control creates maximum fat-burning potential naturally. You will notice faster results when focusing on quality instead of quantity. Training smart always beats training harder without structure or proper technique guidance. This is how athletes build explosive strength while staying injury-free consistently. Your body adapts faster when movements are precise, controlled, and repeated correctly. Fat loss becomes more efficient when workouts are performed with proper mechanics. This method improves both strength and conditioning at the same time effectively. Over time, your performance increases and your physique becomes more defined naturally. Now you understand how to transform box jumps into fat-burning weapon. Apply this method consistently and watch your body composition change dramatically over time. Proper form is the foundation of all successful fitness transformation journeys, always. Discipline, consistency, and technique are the real secrets behind long-term results. Every workout builds your future body, so perform each rep with purpose. Stay focused, stay consistent, and keep improving your form every single session. Subscribe now and start building a stronger, leaner, more powerful version of yourself.